Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. If you are new to this channel, then make sure that you subscribe it and definitely check out my Python playlist. In previous video, we have discussed about how left shift operator works in Python. So in this video, we are going to learn about how right shift operator works in Python. So let's start the video right now. Now I am inside my VS Code. So we will learn about right shift operator, right? Right shift. So the symbol is this. Okay. So we have already discussed about left shift operator and we have also seen how left shift operator works. Okay. So if you have not seen that video, then definitely go there and watch that video. The link is in I button. Okay. So in left shift operator, we are shifting the bits towards left direction. Okay, but here in right shift operator we need to shift the bits towards right direction. Okay, so how we can do that, let's have a look on it. If I take an example, suppose I will do 14 right shift 2. Okay, so what is the meaning of this statement? The meaning is we need to shift the bits of 14 towards right. How many positions? Two positions. Okay, so for that, first of all I need to convert this 14 into its binary form. Okay, so for that I will be divide it with 2. Okay, so 2 7s are 14, the remainder is 0, and 2 3s are 6, the remainder is 1, and 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. If I take it from bottom to top, then 14 in decimal can be represented as 1110 in binary. Okay, so now we will do right shift operation. So for that I will write here 1110. Okay, so in right shift operation we need to shift the bits towards right. Okay, so here we need to shift the bits towards right direction. How many places? Two places. Okay, so now I need to shift this bit towards right direction. Okay, so suppose I will make here two places, then this 0 will be shifted to this place and this 1 will be shifted to this place. It will come to this place and this one will come to this place. Okay, so if I rewrite this number, then what is the number? This 0 will be written here, and this 1 will be written here, and this one will be written here, and this one will be written here. Okay, so whenever we do right shift operation, the bits which are shifted towards right, they are ignored. That means these bits are ignored. Okay, so now the remaining bits are our answer. So the remaining bits is 1 1. Okay, so if I convert this 1 1 into its decimal form, if I convert it into decimal, then I will write here 2 to the power 0 and is 2 to the power 1. Okay, so it is 2 to the power 0 into 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, so 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, that means whenever we do 14 right shift 2, the answer will be 3. Now I will write here a print statement, print 14 right shift 2. Okay, 14 right shift 2. If I run this file, then you can see the result, 3 is coming. Okay, so now if I do print 9 and right shift 3. Okay, and I will comment this first print statement. So if I run this file, then you can see 1 should come. Yes, the 1 is coming as answer. Okay, so in this way right shift operator works. Okay, so this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.